Thanks. All right. So I don't usually write poetry, but I did today. Captain America. Wash your silver penny eyelets, my mouth. You so strong with your ships that sail, your fleet of angels. I forgot the exact way you smell, but I think it goes something like this. Rust, soap, graying hairs, gasoline, salt. And you taste like the air inside the last balloon from yesterday's party. And I sought you out. So give me your burnt grace, raw like your sugar, mind blown. Maybe. Yes. Oh, I'm addicted to your twitch. A manifesto of C. Radka. No to these new distractions, to the real housewives of waste. Secrets silenced by the wall-to-wall carpeting of the Midwest. Against plastic nonsense, like blue daisies and blue orchids, and growing up. Fuck all the men who bring me to the Palace of Fine Arts at night. Yes, to the Palace of Fine Arts. My secrets and violent delights, my invisible sword that I forgot age 8 in the sticky Bangkok sundown. Fast forward to Parisian adolescence, my apartment, our underwear, eating wasabi peas, those teenage crimes. The first time I let you, never mind. I wrote this one a couple weeks ago in Utah, and it's for my dad. Utah, you taught me 17 kinds of dirt, cricket song, and do not feed the wild things. Like sandstone, fathers grow old, turn to dust. I saw you struggling on the way up. Will you answer me? Will you? Will you? Will you? What is the true meaning of alone? Under nightfall, you taught me to scrape stars from sky. Dirty fingernails, skewed. And someone split the prairie dog's head open. Was it you? I've run out of water, but fish dart like silver sentences. Sleep. And here's to hoping there will always be sand in my bed. Sorry, someone spilled a drink on my... All right. Carpet stains. I'm doing this for you. For dandelions and other ambitious weeds. For oceans pulled apart to grow red coral plumes from hurting fissures. For the lost ones, the outward spiral. I know you know this feeling. I'm doing this for the guy who's talking to God to end these déjà vus and faux de fers and courage, tu y es presque, which is French for slow down or something like that. But baby, would you still do it if it takes you forever? S-curve. Tessellate your need to mine, our line of best fit. Under the gauze, this morning fog, your breath, and all the poetry in between your next breath. Thank you.
Charlie, for the